Right, checker plate on the bonnet here. I quite like it. Now on some cars this is gloss black. I think the only two options you got are gloss black or matte black. We've got the base model and it's, gets excited. Did you hear that, Zach? It's like whoop whoop. Right, so someone said, how'd you get it off? They want to paint theirs gloss black. And I don't know. So we're having a look, aren't we, Zach? We're making it up. We've had a little look. We've opened the bonnet up and we can't see any screws or bolts or anything coming through from this side. There's nothing we can see. So it must be, and it's got this sort of what looks like a clip here, but that's not. So should we have a look? I've got no idea. I can hear some tape. There's some tape going on there, isn't there? Whoa. Oh.
There's a clip there.
Is there a clip? Have we broken something or no? What clip are you looking at?
Here, that's white.
Oh, yeah. Yep. So it looks like they've got a bit of tape in the corners. Ooh. Right, so what have we got here? Let's put that down, shall we, Zach? Right then. So it looks like we've got some bits of tape there, doesn't it? A little bit of tape there, a little bit of tape at the back, as well as my pine leaves. Look at our little pine needles. Right, so let's have a look. So there we go. There's the part number there or something. It's got these little poppy clips here, and actually this isn't sticky. If you feel that, Zach.
Oh, yeah.
No, so that's just like a sort of gaskety sponge gasket stuff. The only sticky bits are two sticky pads there and there. So now these clips will probably, if you slide them back, I reckon if any of these do break, I reckon look, they slide back. They're on a little slidey bit there. I'll see if I can find the part number for those and put those in the thing. There we go. We break our car so you don't have to. So you can take those out, you can paint those, you can do whatever. Point to note. So people were like, Simon, when the car was like a week old, I put my GoPro in. But if you look, the GoPro goes through where we've got one of these holes. It doesn't go, it's that hole there, isn't it? Which goes all the way through. So I purposefully didn't want to drill my, so I think if I go up through here, look, you can see my finger, look at that. It's like a little magic trick. Look. So when I drilled for my GoPro, I didn't actually, my warranty's still good. I don't think so, but not right. Right, so there you go. That is how to remove your checker plates on your Land Rover Defender bonnet. Good luck.